Hey, he's here. Hey, hey, see, they're here. They're here, they're here, they're here. There, look at this, my friend. Look at this. I already named them. This one is boy, okay? This one is boy. Boy. And then this one is Achalpa. That is for you. No, come here. No, wait. This one is for you. And this one is for your brother. See, I bought this two, okay? Two biscuit, 10 rupees biscuit for them. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, guys. So I want to go and meet my friends at the park, so I came out, and here I got Parle-G for my friend. So let's go and meet my friends, okay guys? Now it's already 5, but it's still very sunny. And here we have gyms. Oh, local gyms. Hey, bhai, khelo gym, khelo. Let's do some workout. Let's do some workout. Yeah, my bicep workout. So here my friends were not here, okay? They will be that side, so I'll go and meet now. After sometimes this park will be very full. क्या खेला आप? गेम है क्या? हाँ. नाम क्या है? सैफ. और आपका? इरफान. आप दोनों भाई है ना? Yeah, see, their faces are similar. So let me go and meet my friends. मेरा दोस्त है यहाँ. दो कुटा, पता है दो कुटा? है, ये मेरा दोस्त है. Let me go and meet my friends, guys. See, this is the ground. Let's go this side. And after sometimes kids will come and play football. Kids, they'll come and see. Oh. Hey, yeah. And here are some gangsters. Gangster है क्या आप लोग? Yes, gangster है.
ब्लॉग शूट कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, ब्लॉग है ब्लॉग. ये सलमान. और आप कौन है?
अमन. बदमाश है.
हनुमान?
अरे अमन नाम है.
Aman. Okay. Here is volleyball court. They will be putting the net here, and they'll start playing. So, guys, actually this is my friend's house. My friends. This is my friend's house. Okay. They never cross this area. Oh, they're giving this food. Hey, he's here. Hey, see, they're here. They're here. There, look at this, my friend. Look at this. I already named them. This one is boy, okay? This one is boy. And then this one is Achalpa. Yeah, this one is Salpa and this one is boy. Come on, boy. Come here. So I'll be feeding them here. Let me sit here and come on. That is for you. No, come here. No, wait. This one is for you, and this one is for your brother. See, I bought this two, okay? Two biscuit, 10 rupees biscuit for them. Hey, Rook. Wait. Oh, they already tear out. So I'm going to give them. Cow. Rook. Hey. Just look at them. They were so happy. Look. ये खाओ.
हेलो का बोले गाले.
ये खाना नहीं चाहिए क्या? Yes. Hey, look. Look at this. 5 piece. ये देखो. Actually, they were born last year around October or November, and they were born there, okay, in that house. There were 4 or 5 of them, but I don't know how come. Few days back I came here and then I saw them only 2. Their mom is also no longer here, and the siblings were also not here anymore. Only 2 of them. Oi. Cow. I think they are full right now. I should have bring it in the morning or evening. Nice. They were only male, okay? See, the male machine. The male machine. See? Hey, देखो. Male. They were only male. Boy is eating like anything, but this salpa. You don't want to eat or what, salpa? And see, this is the park area. There were some seats there. Seat like this. Hey. They were not hungry now. I'm going to keep it for later, because there is also a lot of people now. They bring food and feed them. They were stray, huh? Ish. Boy doesn't have any respect. He doesn't respect food. See, he's tearing the plastic. He doesn't respect food. Just look at him. Ah, what is this? Huh? What is this? What is wrong with this? Oh, they have lot of this thing. What do you call this? Bugs. I will go and leave it there. Soja. See? I'll leave it here. You guys are wasting 20 rupees. Boy is eating somehow. He's eating 3, 4, 5 piece. Eat, cow. Cow. Eat. Eat. Cow. 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 You also come here. I'll give you by force. Cow. Hey. Cow. Cow. Come this side. Cow. Eat. He doesn't want to eat anymore. Come. I'll go and hang it, this one also here, because whenever someone come, they can feed them. You know the place? Ye cow, ye cow. Cow. They don't want to eat right now. Don't eat that. That is not good. I want to take them home, okay? If this was in Manipur, if this happened in Manipur, I should have already take it home. 2 of them. It's dirty. Look at this. Oi. Why are you biting me, huh? क्यों मारा मुझे? See, look at this. They were very healthy, okay? I don't know. When we adopt pets in our house, I don't know, they always die without any reason. We feed them properly, and and I don't know why these stray dogs, they were very healthy. This is Uchalpa. Uchalpa means the male dog. Male puppy. And then where is the other one? The other one is boy. Boy. Yeah, मेरा दोस्त है. देखो दूसरा वाला कहाँ जा रहा है? देखो white वाला. Where is that white वाला? देखो मेरा दोस्त, ये पालेजी सब खा लिया. दूसरा वाला कहाँ जा रहा है? देखो अभी तक यहाँ पे है. Just look at the ear. Just look at this. healthy body, healthy body, healthy body. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? See, fatty. Just look at this. He's fatty and he's very good. Yeah, fat है. बहुत healthy है. Just look at this. Oh, look at his muscle. वो ना last year में ना 4-5 भाई है, ठीक है? पता नहीं कहाँ गया सब. ये दोनों इस पार्क में सिर्फ दोनों है.
काट रहा है तो.
Okay, now they start coming to play volleyball. And let me go home and do what's up. So bye bye guys, see you in my next video.